Hi, my name's Julie Powers, and I'm here with my friend Brenda Windsor. And Brenda is a nurse, and she has been an RN for 35 years. And I would like for her to share her story with you today. So I'm going to step out of the light here and let her talk. So Brenda, you are a bariatric patient. So if you could talk a little bit about life right before your surgery, life after your surgery, and then why you decided that you probably needed Juice Plus in your life.
Okay. Prior to surgery, I had many physical problems, arthritis, high blood pressure, poor diet, no exercise, and so I did bariatric surgery. Afterwards, you can't eat much as a bariatric patient, and they want you always to have protein before anything else. So I had no energy, and I was taking a lot of supplements. So I talked to Julie about going on Juice Plus, and I've been on Juice Plus now since October, and I've been able to wean off pain medications and some blood pressure medications, and I have more energy, and it's been wonderful for me.
You also talked about how before the surgery, your stomach was about the size of a football for you, and now it's about the size of a banana, and that when you can't eat a lot, your body doesn't move along regularly.
Correct.
Where you were a regular, normal person before your surgery, and then after surgery, not so much. But then Juice Plus helped you get that back in order.
My bowels move every day, and that's a big common complaint of bariatric patients because we don't eat much. You know, 4 or 5 bites at a meal, and that's about it. That's all you're going to be taking, so you don't put out very much at all. Juice Plus has definitely changed that.
That's good.
Yeah.
And you've also talked about when you went to see your doctor for your 6-month checkup, you've lost about 70 pounds. And you talked with her about the fact that when you've been on Juice Plus for a couple of months, you'd like to get off of your calcium supplements, off of your multivitamin, and she was very much okay with that.
She was, yeah.
And you've been able to get off of your other medications for high blood pressure and some pain medicine. And so what I see is all great things.
Very much so.
We talked about how, let me see if I can get this in the picture here, that with the multivitamin, you know, you have just a handful of isolated vitamins and minerals, but when you have an apple that God made, and He put 10,000 phytonutrients into one apple, then you're getting all kinds of things that work synergistically together. But you said you can only eat about a fourth of this apple at one time. And so how can you possibly get nutrition that way, right?
Correct.
So whenever you have, you know, over here, fruits, vegetables, berries in capsule form, it's all the real food, vine ripened, dehydrated, and you get the nutrients. And so you've been able to not only get off medication, but you've had more energy. And as a shopaholic, you like being able to get out and go shopping, right?
Amen.
And you mentioned something about some of the things that you're able to do at work now that you weren't able to do before because you didn't have energy and you work night shift and 12 hours at a time, and that's craziness. But now you're able to do what because you have more energy?
Oh, if there's a cold, I can run.
Yeah, so
I got the energy to do that.
If somebody is dying and they need you, you can actually run to their room to assist them.
Yep.
And so I think that's amazing. And so Juice Plus and one simple change of taking a handful of capsules has changed so much about the inside of your body. And you know, we talk about one simple change at a time and drinking more water and getting more exercise and sleeping right and stressing less and feeding your body the nutrition you need. You said you can't even drink enough water because your stomach isn't big enough to handle it.
And I never was a water drinker before. And 90% of everything I put in my body is water now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's amazing. See, it really works as a catalyst for so many people. And your bone-on-bone issue and your sciatic nerve problem, our research shows that because Juice Plus is bioavailable, it's getting absorbed by the body. It's doing all these great things for the body, just like real food does, and that it does reduce inflammation. And that's one of the great things about what's happened in your body because obviously it's done what it was supposed to do, right? That's great. Is there anything else you want to share?
I want to go shopping.
All right, thank you.